In this video, I'll be showing you how to change Roblox profile picture on PC and laptop. You can use this to make your avatar pose. Start by opening the Roblox app, then select Avatar from the side. Select Customize from the top and make sure your avatar looks how you want it to, or change it to your liking. Once done, go to the side and click on your profile picture icon in the avatar preview panel. Now, select any emote or pose that you want to do from the top, then go down and click the Next button. Adjust the zoom slider to change how close the camera is to your avatar. To show the pose, you will typically want to move the slider to the left to zoom out. Adjust the Rotate slider to change the direction your avatar is facing. I'll just keep mine in the middle. Go down and click Next again. You will now see what your profile picture looks like. You can click the View Full Avatar button to see your whole avatar. Click the Save button to confirm. Now, when you view your profile, your avatar will be posing. You now know how to change your profile picture in Roblox on PC and laptop. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.